So just one question to you from me: that why blank canvas and why did you? I mean, tell me the reason of coming on Glam on calendar at a short notice and just said yes to us.
I'll be very honest. The designer Gagan is a dear friend, and he called me, and that's it. Yeah, I think I'm being very honest. I'm a very honest person, blunt person. So it's for Gagan. I'm here, and thank you, Gagan, for getting me on board.
So I'm very glad we have all the people. A big hand to everyone. A big hand to all my sponsors, all my teammates, and we have two big IPs, OMG and Glamon, going up today with my company Blank Canvas. And Rohit, closing notes from you.
So first of all, thank you everyone, guys, for being a part of this journey. We don't know how this will happen, but we'll have fun along the way for sure. And special thanks for you guys to kind of able to come back and support everything that Parimal and yeah. And thank you to the press, which has actually come out in full glory. So thanks a lot. We'll keep you guys updated along the way on everything that's happening, right from the calendar to the contest to the pageant, and finally to the education platform that we're launching. So, Parimal, thanks a lot. All the best.
Sir, also good to go.
Correct. It's very exciting. I'm just waiting for this thing to come out right now.
So the calendar is going to come out.
Oh, yes. I'm desperate.
Thanks, guys. Thanks.
कितने एक्साइटेड हैं आप कैलेंडर 2021
Honestly, बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ और स्पेशली पोस्ट कोविड चीज़ें आर लुकिंग अप फॉर एवरीवन, ऑल ऑफ अस, पूरी इंडस्ट्री के लिए, फैशन के लिए, फिल्म्स के लिए, सबके लिए. सो इट्स ऑलवेज अ ब्राइट न्यूज़ एंड परिमल बीइंग अ गुड फ्रेंड एंड इट बीइंग अ ग्रेट इनिशिएटिव. जैसा मैंने पहले भी बोला कि कॉन्सेप्ट ही बहुत बढ़िया है कि ट्रांसजेंडर इक्वालिटी के लिए, सो दोस्ती के लिए और एक कॉन्सेप्ट के लिए, तो बहुत एक्साइटेड. देखिए, कुछ ज़्यादा रिवील नहीं कर सकता, लेकिन थोड़ा एथनिक की तरफ और कैलेंडर है ये बहुत रिच और मोर ऑन लेस ब्राइड ग्रूम कॉन्सेप्ट के ऊपर है, तो काफ़ी आप लोग हमें अच्छी अचकनों में और शेरवानी वगैरह में देखेंगे. अगेन देखिए, परिमल के साथ पुरानी दोस्ती है. आई थिंक मैं इनके लिए सबसे पहले जो इनका आज से 3 साल पहले बॉम्बे टाइम्स फैशन वीक में भी मैं इनका शो स्टॉपर था, तो तब इन्होंने एक डिज़ाइनर के साथ कोलैब किया था. सो दिस टाइम इन दे कॉल्ड अप की विपुल, तो सो आई सेड यस. और अगेन कॉन्सेप्ट ही बहुत बढ़िया है और मैं हमेशा से मेरा एक जुड़ाव रहा है कि इक्वालिटी टुवर्ड्स एवरीवन. सो आई थिंक दैट्स माय वे ऑफ गिविंग इट टू स्टैम्प लगाने के लिए कि हाँ ऐसा होना चाहिए. जी जी, सुपर. आई नो रोहित फॉर एजेस, लाइक हम लोग क्रिकेट भी बहुत एक साथ खेल चुके हैं एंड अगेन वी फ्रेंड्स हैं. सो आई एम वेरी हैप्पी एंड आई दिल से विशेज़ हैं, मेरी दुआएं हैं कि इनका कॉन्सेप्ट बहुत अच्छा चले, बिकॉज बहुत यूनिक है ये. जो कोविड का टाइम था उसने वर्चुअल वर्ल्ड को बहुत हाईलाइट कर दिया है, तो इस टाइम पे अगर कोई पेजेंट हो रहा है और फुल एंडेवर से हो रहा है, तो आई थिंक हम सबको उसको सपोर्ट करना चाहिए. देखिए, मैं ये कहना चाहूँगा कि बहुत ही नॉवल कॉन्सेप्ट है. आप सब इस आप कैलेंडर देखिए, फ्यूजी जैसी बड़ी एक कंपनी जो वो भी इससे कोलैबोरेट कर रही है, तो आप लोग इस स्पेस को देखते रहिए, बिकॉज आपको बहुत कुछ अच्छा देखने को मिलेगा. पूरे साल की डेट्स तो मिलेंगी, लेकिन साथ में काफ़ी अच्छे विजुअल्स भी मिलेंगे. राइट, थैंक यू.
Thank you so much. So Parimal and I actually go back a long way. जब अनीता और मेरा वो जो कंपनी था Backtalk, I don't know if you recall, but Parimal has a bag brand which is listed on that platform also. So काफ़ी सालों की दोस्ती है. अब हमने बोला दोस्ती को थोड़ा बिजनेस में कन्वर्ट करते हैं and let's see how it goes. So that's how it has happened. So we actually thought of this last year during the pandemic when we were meeting and we were figuring out कि कुछ अलग करना ज़रूरी है. And Parimal belongs to the modeling industry. He has his connects. He has a full blown academy already running which is offline. हमने बोला इसको पूरा digital करते हैं 1-to-1 करने की कोशिश करेंगे, क्योंकि जनता कहीं पे भी हो सकती है, राइट? सो एंड दैट्स हाउ द एंटायर आइडिया ऑफ एन ऑनलाइन एजुकेशन प्लेटफॉर्म केम इन. करेक्ट. Actually, वही आइडिया, आई थिंक कोविड ओनली वाज एन इंस्पिरेशन टू अस. So Anita, like you said, you saw the video. She obviously, because Glamour and Anita go hand in hand, तो उनके कुछ ना कुछ इनपुट्स आते रहते हैं कि ऐसा राउंड होना चाहिए, कि कुछ अलग राउंड होना चाहिए. जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल डबूज के साथ जब हम प्लान कर रहे हैं, वो एकदम हटके राउंड है एकदम. सो ऑल दीज स्मॉल आइडियाज़ कीप कमिंग फ्रॉम अनीता. कौन सा कैलेंडर? ये ग्लैमॉन. The Glamon calendar is very interesting because for the first time you'll have a assortment of different faces, international, national faces, all kinds of genders, and it's going to be amazing because it's shot outside of Bombay. एक जगह हमने ढूंढी है जहाँ पे it will be a full outdoor shoot, and we got some very cool talent already. यार, you know Anita, we are due in Feb. 12th of Feb is the lucky day. So अभी तो अनीता तो घर से निकल भी नहीं सकती है. So that is where we are. So I mean, the only thing that we keep saying, Anita and me, to all the fans is thank you so much. We love you guys a lot. We never considered you all as fans. We would always say that you guys are fams, which is family, and we love everybody of you. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Okay. So I started with a company called Parimal Modeling Academy and Parimal Model Management, which you've seen on the screen when we started. It was a journey of getting grooming for new talents who are upcoming and who are know-how in Mumbai, where to go and how to get themselves groomed. In our glamour industry, we always think about people have been misleaded a lot, and the only objective we got on the plate was that we wanted to make sure that these people get the right knowledge who come from out of Bombay, and they get the right guidance to move into the industry. Moreover, they work on their fears and they are judgment free and they can become a good talent. That's how our journey for 2 years have been successful, and we just thought of merging together with Rohit and forming a new company called Blank Canvas, because we wanted to give an end-to-end solution to the entire objective of the glamour industry, where a person sitting from anywhere across India can just come up, learn with us, either online or offline, and make sure that he or she can step into the industry without any fear, without any social taboos, without anything which can make them go down. That's the best thing which I find about Blank Canvas, and that's why Blank Canvas has come up with this property called OMG, which is a big platform for a lot of youth to come up and participate and become the face of the year, and also get endorsed by big brands and a lot of people and become socially famous. So that's the association. Rohit has been a very dear friend. We've known each other from Backtalk when I have my brand Hora, and we just share the same floor on the office. So we've been talking about on this venture during the lockdown. Lockdown has done good to us, is that this company started off. So lockdown has always helped us to make this company form, and we're very happy and excited with these two ventures going out together at the same time. I think 2021 has got a lot of luck for all of us and to every one of us. Right. So calendar ke bare mein I'm very excited because this calendar came up with the idea of Fuji launching their brand, and Fuji has been a very powerful partner in their cameras and video cameras. So I'm very happy that they just came up with an idea that we want to shoot, and we said yes. The idea of doing calendar this year is going to talk about brides, and I think more on this my friend Priyank can always highlight, because the entire concept is going to revolve around brides, and we wanted to always show brides with the freedom, brides with different moods. And basically, we're launching this calendar with brides, and the revolution is that why can't be a transgender be a bride? So this revolution in India is a must, where any transgender has the right to dream of being a bride. The looks will be revealed very soon on the calendar launch, and you all will be invited again to witness the calendar. Due to these current COVID issues, we had to wrap up and we had to make this thing right now. But
The calendar is most importantly going to make a lot of sense of showing not only the brides, the jewelry, the creative patterns of blank canvas. Our objective in blank canvas is to show that we are an end-to-end solution again for even doing calendars or catalog shoots and having the best creative talent in India associated with us. So calendars have faces like Mrinal Jain, Vipul Gupta, and we have Vipul, we have Iris here, who she was here. Iris has also been a very dear friend. We have Zoya Froze. She's not turned up right now, but she is also part of the calendar. We have supermodels like Jaspal Korchana. We've got, we've got Vaibhav Maurya. We've got, people like Vijaya Day. Even she's here around. So we have people. We have a big band of models, and the cover page is going to be super exciting. I'm just waiting for the day we shoot, and my location partners are being set. And trust me, the calendar is always going to have a hype every year on the excitement to see the calendar every year.
I'm very much excited for his calendar shoot, and I'm very much excited for all models how they look in a calendar. So all the best.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you so
Thank you.
I'm pretty excited about the calendar. The concept is really great, and a dear friend of mine, Gagan, who's the designer. So yeah, I'm looking forward to the calendar. 2020 साल बहुत ही ज़्यादा वियर्ड था. It started off with the thing कि चलो कोई नहीं, 1-2 महीने में it's going to be all right, but that wasn't the case. Every month there was a build-up of anxiety, tension, work-wise, but then in the month of August I lost my dad, which was earth-shattering for me. So coming back from that place to today in the month of January, I think I'm in a better state, and I'm looking forward to a better year, I think, for everyone. Let there be hope, let there be health, and let there be some prosperity. I can't hear you, sorry.
What was the main reason that you collaborated?
The main reason why I collaborated with this brand is, as I told you, a very dear friend Gagan, who's a designer for the same, he called me and he asked me to be a part of this, and it was a very sweet gesture for them to also call and ask for the collaboration. So I said, yeah, why not? Thank you so much. So Big Boss has always been very controversial and entertaining as well, because दूसरों के लाइफ में क्या हो रहा है उसमें मसाले में सबको मज़ा आता है. But इस साल I have not been watching that closely. Last year was fun. Last year was crazy good. This year is okay, on and off. I watch at times. Thank you. Thank you, guys.
Thank you very much. Come on, please put your hands together for me. Say, give it! Give it! Give it! Thank forward for this cake cutting ceremony. Thank you.
3 cheers for Blank Canvas! Don't worry, सब बाद में घर पे Thanks for coming, guys. I am also looking forward to